Bengaluru set to celebrate with their fans following the historic IPL final win at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. Now the team has landed in Bengaluru. They'll be celebrating with their fans in Bengaluru. They did win that match against Punjab Kings by 6 runs in the final to win their maiden IPL title. It's been a very long wait for the team, 18 long years for that elusive trophy. And of course, this is going to be a big celebration that's been lined up and planned. We have Veera Raghav, my colleague, joining us from the Chinnaswamy Stadium. He is going to be getting us a sense of the kind of excitement, Veera, that you're seeing around you with fans gathering there since a very long time to be able to celebrate with the team.
That's the sense outside the stadium. There's nothing you can say. I'm not sure you can hear me. I can't hear myself. You got this.
RCB! RCB! It's
What does? What's the song?
The 18 years, the loyal fans are roaring today. They're roaring, you can hear. The 18 years, the how we wanted.
Ee saal cup namdaito, which means this year the cup is ours. Mundina saalo.
This is just the beginning.
There you see Virat Kohli all the way out there. I mean, I don't know if a match would have this kind of a sort of atmosphere, but it's fantastic. Who's going to do a dance? RCB dance. RCB dance. RCB! 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 Teach me that step. Let's do that step. RCB! 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 Hello, you have something to say? RCB. The only thing anyone's saying here, RCB. That's it. There's no other word today in Bengaluru outside Chinnaswamy Stadium. I'm running out of energy. It's back to you in the studio.
Right, Veera, of course, a slight disappointment because there was supposed to be that parade that got cancelled because the police denied permission.
You liked my dance. I hope you liked my dance.
RCB! RCB! RCB!
Let my mic go for a minute. That's back to you in the studio. A very little that one can say here. It's just nice. Coming with Chief Minister Sitharamaiah, going to meet them. Oh, look there. There's drum beats as well that's playing out. Every few seconds you've got some action or the other outside Chinnaswamy Stadium. It's electric atmosphere here, obviously. May not even be like this for a cricket match, but the victory has lit up Bengaluru. Back to you in the studio.
Absolutely, Veera, to celebrate that victory that's taken place after 18 long years, the first win for the team as far as the IPL franchise is concerned, and the franchise has announced that this felicitation ceremony that's going to be taking place at the venue where you're at, the Chinnaswamy Stadium. We also have Deepak joining us. Deepak, after landing in Bengaluru, the team has just landed. They met with the Chief Minister. They're going to be leaving from the airport. They will also be travelling to the Chinnaswamy Stadium for the ceremony. But what's going to be happening from the airport to the Chinnaswamy Stadium? What is happening in between?
Well, it's going to be an absolute frenzy as the team bus passes through the Chinnaswamy Stadium. You can see huge crowd. RCB! 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 Well, guys, I'm just hearing that the team bus is going to pass through this stretch of the road. Are you all excited to see? RCB! 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 Well, before I go and speak to a few more people, I'm going to ask my video journalist to come a little ahead and show you something. You can see the bus, of course, while officially the government says there is no parade, but the bus is being made ready. You can see the champions poster being stuck as we speak. That's
There you can see, and of course, a slight disappointment there for people in Bengaluru because there was supposed to be an open-top bus parade to celebrate the Royal Challengers win. This is something that they were denied permission because of traffic situation and logistical concerns.
The huge number of people that are turning up could be an issue in terms of security and traffic. They are trying to manage the situation. Let's try and get in a word from people who've gathered here. How does it feel today, of course, to come here amidst such a huge crowd as RCB, of course, comes home?
It's feeling amazing. Even I can't speak. My voice is breaking. RCB! 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 What would you like to say to the team? RCB! Now we got champions. We are champions. We are champions. Yes.
We are, sir, after 18 years we waited for this. And we want the entire RCB team should come on the open parade. We want RCB team to visit on the road of the Bangladesh.
Parade is the request. Whether the government will accord it. Do you all want a parade to happen in Bengaluru?
Yes, for sure, 100% it should happen. Yes, RCB!
Well, here you have Virat Kohli's posters coming out. You have the flags that are out. Jerseys are difficult to find today. The police, of course, will have their task cut out as we near closer to that felicitation ceremony at the Vidhan Saudha, and then, of course, at the Chinnaswamy Stadium as well. Ecstatic scenes that we're witnessing here at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru. Very soon, we could expect the team bus as well to arrive on this stretch of the road. The police, of course, preparing for that in probably the next 2 to 3 minutes. We are expecting that to happen as well. So all eyes will be on, Team RCB, Virat Kohli in particular, heading to the hotel. After which he will, of course, be going to Vidhan Saudha, where on the grand steps there will be the felicitation that will happen. So when RCB comes here, Virat Kohli comes here, would you like to say anything to him?
We love you, Virat!
Well, there's a young RCB fan. How many years have you been a fan of RCB? How many years? ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಅಂತ ನೀವು fan ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? 12 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ. 12 ವರ್ಷ. Okay, 12 years he's been a fan.
I was 6 years old when I started supporting RCB.
I
was 6 years old, yes. I was in my 8th standard. Now I'm 30 plus and finally it's time for RCB!
You see, it's definitely an emotion for the people. They're saying that they were young kids when they started supporting this team, and now to see the team lift the trophy has been a great experience. Let's try and speak to a few more of them. How long have you been waiting? Did you get yourself a ticket to get inside?
I didn't have a ticket yet, but yeah, it's waiting.
We are waiting more than 2 hours. We are waiting for more than 2 hours to get the ticket.
Okay.
Still we didn't get any.
We are hopeful and we are expecting a crowd around 2 lakhs. Jai RCB! RCB!
Well, that's the word from out here. It's just RCB today, and it's going to continue that way for the next couple of hours.
The excitement one can feel all the way here in Delhi. We have Veera joining us from the Chinnaswamy Stadium where that felicitation ceremony is going to be taking place. Veera, we earlier heard that the fans were demanding that open-top bus parade that should take place, and that is something a bit of a disappointment because that was supposed to take place between the Vidhan Saudha and the Chinnaswamy Stadium.
Let's not get there at all. I think there is enough excitement, and I want to show you. This is one of the most arterial roads of Bengaluru. One side Cubbon Park, the other side Chinnaswamy Stadium. The road's blocked. So if you're a Bengalurian, expect crazy traffic inside the CBD today. Expect crazy crowds at the metro. And as a Bengalurian, sometimes it does get me furious, but one has to let it go for RCB. So look at the shouting chants, all in the middle of this arterial road. They're just trying to control the crowd. Just look it down all this place. All dancing again and again. No jersey, you didn't get jersey.
No, I just own my jersey.
I went and bought a jersey for myself.
Now.
But you won't get. I took the last jersey.
RCB! हार्ट में आरसीबी है, हार्ट में आरसीबी है,
हार्ट
ब्लड
में
कलर,
RCB है।
ब्लड भी है, रेड भी है, रेड भी है, आरसीबी का रेड, रेड रेड रेड,
Red blood, red RCB.
that's the RCB.
Acha, what about message to Preeti Zinta and Punjab? You're not a Preeti Zinta fan?
No, Preeti Zinta.
Better luck next time. Better luck next time. Better luck next
Better
time.
luck next time.
Yeah.
But next time you don't want RCB to win?
We want every time RCB to win.
The first bit of conversation that one can have. Look at this here. Ah, here you go. Hello. What's your name?
Sayyid Shaikh.
Your name is Shreyas Iyer.
Shaikh.
Arey, huh?
Shaikh.
Shreyas Iyer. Okay. Not Shreyas Iyer. What do you think of Shreyas Iyer? Who's better, Virat Kohli or Shreyas Iyer?
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli! Virat Kohli is the champion here in Bengaluru today. Well, that's the spirit out here, but as I mentioned, the arterial road of Bengaluru completely clogged. Expect traffic jams across the place. I guess daily commuters, non-cricket fans, not struck by the RCB craze, which would be a minority, would be happy that there is no parade as yet. But let's see how this plays out. There's going to be traffic chaos, but also RCB madness all through this evening in Bengaluru.
Let's go across to Deepak as well, joining us from Bengaluru. Deepak, what time is the Chief Minister going to be, he's likely to felicitate the team. Where and what time is that going to be taking place?
Well, the felicitation officially is expected to happen around between 4 and 5. As we speak, any moment now, we're expecting the team bus to make its way through this stretch of the road. The police, of course, are here in large numbers. They've contained the crowds. And let me again go through this crowd, because they are the ones we need to speak to today. They are the ones we need to celebrate. The fans have been spoken about for years.
RCB! RCB! RCB!
Okay, now the team bus is almost about to arrive. How excited are you to see the entire team?
Super excited to see